How to contact the Solflare support team. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open Solflare Wallet on your device. Then click on the settings or gear icon on the bottom right hand corner. Once you do that, you can find support. You can contact the customer support by Solflare Wallet by clicking on support. Once you do that, tap on Start Chat to start questioning, and you can also submit a ticket. So go ahead and tap on Start Chat. The next step is to just go ahead and click on message if you want to directly chat with Solflare Wallet team, or else if you want any type of articles, you can just go ahead and go to help. You can see there are a lot of articles and FAQs. There might be some problems which might be similar to yours, and reading the article might just help. But else you can just go ahead and click on message over here, tap on send us a message, and you can just click on I want to talk to support. After that, you can write down your name. After completing it, you can write down your queries, problems, and you can easily contact the Solflare support team. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.